Massive benefits of building your business credit. Business credit is credit under a company's EIN. It is not associated with an owner's social security number. Business credit and personal credit are separate. Scores can diverge dramatically. Credit is in the business name and based on the business's ability to pay, and not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, when done right, business credit is obtained with no personal credit check required from the business owner, and the business owner isn't personally liable for the credit the business obtains. Why do you want business credit? All major businesses have it. Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, Bill Gates, etc. don't risk their personal assets when their companies borrow money. They don't need to provide a personal guarantee either. Why? Because their own businesses have credit. Benefit number 1. Create a barrier between business and personal assets. Separate business credit from your personal. Create a barrier so your personal assets can't be touched. This is even if your business goes into receivership. Just because your company goes bankrupt doesn't mean you have to as well. Benefit number 2. Save your personal credit utilization rate. Save personal credit for personal expenses. Using personal cards to pay business expenses will hurt your utilization rate. Utilization rate equals the amount of credit used divided by your total available credit. Keep this percentage at 30% or less. But handling business expenses with personal credit will make this nearly impossible. Let's recap. Business credit means personal credit is untouched. Utilization rate stays low. There are no inquiries on personal credit. Building business credit before you need makes it easier and faster to get it. Payment history and credit history matter. Build business credit the right way. Establish business credibility. Get DUNS, EIN, and set business entity up with the IRS. Start with vendor credit. Move on to revolving store credit. Then move to fleet credit and cash credit. Contact us today to learn more about the massive benefits of building your business credit.